up, you guys? Welcome to my channel.
Comment, like, subscribe. Nah, hit the little bell so you get notifications.
Every time I drop a new video, every weekend, you guys. All right. So we back over here with the homie Chris. We're gonna work on his Honda, finish up the audio system. Last time we replaced the stereo with a brand new head unit and also installed a subwoofer and ran all the wires. We were supposed to install a second amp for the interior speakers, but we realized that the amp was faulty and it didn't work. So I'm back over here to install the interior door speakers.
I'm happy so far. I mean, the sound is great. Head unit, it's like a $300 head unit I got for free. He did a good job. Wiring's good. Subwoofer's hitting crazy. This guy killed it.
That's what I do.
Alright, so let's get straight to it. Remove the top corner door trim. You can pull it out with your hands. Use a small flathead screwdriver to pry open the cover behind the door handle. Remove the Phillips screw. Remove the armrest rubber mat and remove the hidden screw. Now you should be able to pry off the door. Remove the door handle cable. This green plastic clip is fragile and can easily break. Make sure you order some before doing this job just in case. I'll leave a link in the video description of all the parts. Slide the secure clip off the door handle cable. Unplug the power window connectors. Remove the interior door light bulb connector by turning it counterclockwise. Use a flathead screwdriver to pry down on the top retainer clip. You can purchase some Honda adapter harnesses on Amazon to hook up to the original speaker connectors, but we're just gonna go ahead and cut them and use some butt connectors.
Yeah. We have a dilemma.
Oh, it don't fit.
It don't fit. Man, I wish I had a grinder. It just needs a really little bit. Just a little bit.
You don't think it'll fit if they stick out a little bit?
Nah. Oh, see, that fits better. Look at that.
Let's go.
Yeah, that's better right there.
You're gonna have to put
Shit. Who said you can't fix things without a
fabrication under your resume now?
Hell yeah.
I ended up hammering the sides to get better clearance for the speakers. I drilled some small holes to be able to screw the speaker in place.
Only high quality work here, brother. That's it. Nothing but the best.
Alright, so now let's work on the rear speakers. Pry open the speaker cover. Remove the 4 8mm bolts. When installing the new 6x9 speaker, you should remove the top trim around it, so the speaker cover can fit properly.